Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to change the time zone on your Xbox Series S. So the first step is open up settings here. Then once you're inside the settings, what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to General, TV and Display Options, and then you're going to go to here, Video Modes, and you can see here, Allow Dolby Vision, it's near the bottom. If your monitor supports Dolby Vision, you'll have the option to go down to it, and you can see how I can select and unselect this stuff here. You'll be able to select it, you'll be able to unselect it as well. Now just keep in mind that you can see you just turned off this toggle. If you aren't able to navigate to it, we need to figure out why. So either your TV doesn't support Dolby Vision, and if you're watching this video and you know your TV supports Dolby Vision, then that means that your HDMI cable doesn't support Dolby Vision. So the best bet is make sure you are using the HDMI cable which came with your Xbox Series S. If you use any other HDMI cable, the data transfer speed will be lower. Also, if you use a hub, where usually it just converts 5 HDMI signals and allows it to plug into one HDMI port on your TV. You know what I'm talking about. If you have one, that will most likely cause issues with this not turning on. So you just want to plug the HDMI cable from your Xbox Series S directly to the TV. That may cause some issues, but you just have to do it if this isn't working. Otherwise you'll need a very high powered HDMI hub, and I don't know how many will actually support Dolby Vision. And yeah, if you've done those two things and that doesn't work, then that means that the input source HDMI doesn't support Dolby Vision, but you may have a TV which supports Dolby Vision via DisplayPort. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to buy a high speed, very important high speed, HDMI to a DisplayPort adapter, and then you just on the ends of the HDMI, you put the adapter on, and then you plug that end onto the TV via DisplayPort, and then you'll be good to go, and then the Dolby Vision will work. So really, that's all there is to it. Hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.